Welcome to the Math Online Tutor. This is the part 4 video of exercise 1.2 of chapter 1 Relations and Functions. In this video I include question number 8 and 9. If you directly come to this video, please watch first other part I posted. Okay, let us start. This is question number 8. Let A and B be show that f from A cross B to B cross A such that f of AB equal to BA is bijective function. Bijective function means this we have to show say 1 1 and on 2. Okay, so we can draw the arrow diagram first. This domain, okay, and this one was codomain. So this domain A cross B and this part B cross A, codomain. So elements of A cross B, so we can take A1 comma B1, okay, and A2 comma B2, clear. Then one more element A3 comma B3, like this. Okay, so here mapping is defined like this: f of A comma B equal to B comma A. That is, if you here you take A comma B, then it was BA. Change the first and second order pair. Okay, coordinate. Then the first A comma A1 comma B1 is mapping to A B1 comma A1. Okay, the image of A2 B2 B2 A2. Okay, then image of A3 B3 B3 A3. This means distinct element of domain as a distinct image in codomain. Therefore this one function, and also every element of codomain was a pre-image in domain. So this onto also the function is 1 1 and onto, therefore this is bijective. So how to show this one? Okay, so here you can take what first you can show 1 1. Okay, so for every x1 equal to A1 comma B1 comma x2 equal to A2 comma B2 belongs to A cross B. This A cross B domain is domain of the function, and f of x1 is equal to f of A1 comma B1 by the definition is equal to what? B1 comma A1, and f of x2 equal to f of A2 comma B2, that is equal to ordered pair B2 A2. Okay, then f of x1 equal to f of x2. This implies f of A1 comma B1 equal to f of A2 comma B2. This implies B1 comma A1 equal to B2 comma A2. Okay, suppose if two ordered pair, suppose A1 comma B1 equal to A2 comma B2, if and only if first coordinate equal, that is A1 equal to A2 and second coordinate also equal, B1 equal to B2, So these two are equal, then coordinate are equal. Clear? So this implies here B1 equal to B2 and A1 equal to A2. So A1 equal to B1 equal to B2 and A1 equal to A2 means this implies A1 B1 equal to A2 B2. This implies x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1 1 1 function or injective function. Next you have to show onto function. Okay, so for every b comma a belongs to, so this equal to y, this y belongs to b cross a is what? Domain, codomain. Then there exists an element x equal to a comma b belongs to a cross b. Is domain such that f of x equal to f of a comma b, that is equal to b comma a. Okay, this by definition. Okay, this equal to b comma a what? Y. That means f of x equal to y. Therefore f is onto a surjective function. Okay, therefore f is 1 1 and onto function, and hence f is bijective function. Okay, this is the 9th question. Let f from n to n be defined by f of n equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, and n by 2 if n is even, for all n belongs to n. So all n are natural numbers. State whether the function f is bijective. Justify your answer. So here listen, function f of n is defined. If n is odd number, then n plus 1 by 2. If n is even number, n plus 2 by 2. So you can check the using the figure. You can take the arrow diagram. So this domain. Okay, this is a codomain. So this both are n. Okay, then you can take here first you can take 1. What is a 1? 1 is odd number. If an odd number is there, this function is what? N plus 1 by 2. That is 1 plus 1 by 2. What is 1 plus 1? 1, 2. 2 by 2, 1. So 1 is mapping to 1. Okay. Next you can take 2. If 2 is odd number, even number. If n is even number, the function f of n equal to what? N by 2. So 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is also 2 by 2 what? 1. So this 2 is mapping to 1. Then next is 3. 3 what? Odd number. Its odd number is that n plus 1 by 2. That is 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 2, 2. So 3 mapping to 2. Next to 4. 4 is what? Even number. So n by 2. So 4 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. So 4 is also mapping to 2. Next you take 5. Okay, 5 is odd number, so function is what? 5 plus 1, 6 by 2, 3. The 5 is mapping to 3. Next you take 6. Okay, 6 is even number, so 6 by 2, 3. So 6 is also mapping to 3. So this is a mapping, etc., etc. So from here you can check this. So we have to state whether the function is bijective. Justify your answer. So here listen, 1 and 2 have the same image 1. And also 3 and 4 is same image 2. And also 5 and 6 also same image 3. This means this is not 1 function. Okay, this is not 1 function. But here you listen, every element of codomain is a pre-image in domain. So this 1 is as a pre-image, 2 as a pre-image, 3 as a pre-image, 4 also as pre-image, etc., etc. Okay, so this onto. Okay, so the function is 1 1, not 1 1, but onto. Therefore this not bijective function. Okay, so how to check this one? So for that one, you can take first 1 1 is 1 1 or not. Okay, so first we can take if so we can take first n1. Okay, instead of x1 we can take n1. 1. Okay, belongs to what? N. In this case, this is odd number. Odd. Okay, what is f of n1? F of n1 equal to n1 plus 1 by 2. That is f of 1 equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1. Okay, next if you can take n2 equal to 2. Okay, so this part is even number. So if an even number, the function what? F of n2 equal to what? n2 by 2. Therefore f of 2 equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. That also mapping to 1. Okay, therefore so you can write what? F of n1 equal to f of n2. This implies f of 1 equal to f of 2. This implies what is f of 1? F of 1 equal to 1 and f of 2 also what? 1. Okay, f of 1, this both are equal to 1. Okay, this both are equal to 1. This but what? 1 not equal to 2. This implies n1 not equal to n2. Therefore f is not 1 1 or injective function. Clear? Okay, then next you check what? Onto. Clear? Onto. So for that one, if you take for n equal to 1, 3, 5, etc., you take odd number or odd numbers. Okay, for n equal to odd numbers. In odd numbers, f of 1 equal to what? You know, this function is defined as what? N plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1. Then f of 3 equal to what? 3 plus 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2 equal to 2. Then f of 5 equal to 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2 equal to 3. Okay, then one more, f(7) is equal to 7 plus 1 by 2, that is 8 by 2 equal to 4, etc. In this all case, f of n is what? In this case f of n means what? Range 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, clear? Next, for n equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, etc., that is even numbers. What is f of n? F of n equal to n by 2. Therefore, f of 2 equal to what? 2 by 2 equal to 1. F of 4 equal to what? 4 by 2 equal to 2. F of 6 equal to 6 by 2, 3. F of 8 equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4, etc. Okay, in this case also, what? F of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, but codomain, what is a codomain? Codomain is equal to what? Natural number n, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And in both the case, if for n equal to even number, f of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and also n is equal to odd number, f of n equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, what? Range of f is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. That means, therefore, range is equal to codomain. Therefore, f is onto function. F is onto function or surjective function. That means f is onto but not 1 function. Okay, and hence f is not bijective function. F is not bijective function. Okay.